There are a few guidelines to be followed if you are all set to experiment with the astounding pH diet plan. The first thing to be taken care of is to clean up all the food stuff with high acidic content out of the refrigerator and the pantry. However, this would become difficult if you stay with other people in the house. In such a state, you need to take care that you clear out food stuff which tempts you the most. Natural food stores and health stores are great options to get the food stuff you will be consuming during the diet period, though grocery stores would also be suitable to get the needful things. In case you are in an area without such kind of specialty stores, the local grocery is the best solution. Certain points which need to be kept in mind while shopping as per your diet requirements are discussed here. Make a list of the items that you need to purchase. It is no use walking around the store trying to recollect everything that you need. You can also plan the week's menu which you would be following and shop according to it. This would help you in buying only the stuff that you need and would therefore save time, money and wastage of items. You will have to buy a lot of alkaline stuff which would mainly be from a variety of vegetables. The next thing to be taken care of is that you need to be on a complete alkaline diet when you initially start off with the pH diet. Every kind of the pH diet, whether strict or lenient, aims at a perfect balance between alkaline and acids. Hence, this should be kept in mind while preparing grocery lists and menus. Food stuff with lower levels of acids consists of whole grain pasta, bananas, eggs, dried beans, wheat bread, nuts and milk. A proportion of 70% alkaline to 30% acids is considered ideal. While at a grocery store, you will notice that you would be more on the outside sections of the store, as that is the area which generally comprises of fresh food items which may match your needs during the diet period. The outer rim invariably consists of farm fresh products, meat and/or deli products and the dairy products. How to lose weight. With the right food. Vegetables are the most prominent components of the pH diet and hence more focus would be on them while shopping. Frozen and conventional produce contribute nothing to the diet plan and hence it is an absolute waste using them. Instead, opt for farm fresh produce if you can afford to get it. Another thing to be avoided is canned vegetables and fruits. They are absolutely unhealthy as they have a negative effect on the alkalinity of the fruits and vegetables, and they also contain a great deal of sodium in them. If fresh produce cannot be purchased, it is better to go with frozen ones. The best way to shop is by purchasing equal or balanced amounts of acidic and alkaline foodstuff so that you can get used to the new way of eating as well as living. Just being extremely strict about the diet you consume will not produce the desired results. Rather, start gradually and balance food items in such a way that you get rid of all the acidic food in your diet with the passage of the period of diet plan.